Now, it is 2023, and one of the most successful technologies since the war with COVID in 2020 is Zoom. Now, Zoom's not the only video technology out there. There's TeamViewer and there's Google Meet, which, by the way, is free. But Zoom is definitely one of the most popular because of the advantages that Zoom has. And the reason that I talk about this is because this tool is not only a communication opportunity for you to meet with your team members or meet with coworkers and colleagues or meet with clients. I've done listing appointments over Zoom, buyer consultations over Zoom. People today feel massively comfortable with doing these things. I coach one-on-one through Zoom. Now, can I do this with Google Meet? 100%. One of the things that I like about Zoom, though, is it gives me a lot of security controls. And so if you're going to get a Zoom account, really work to understand what that Zoom account does. If you have a paid version of Zoom, you get a personalized link for your Zoom room, if you will, right? And that personalized link, you can go to GoDaddy, Tiger Tech, or any of those places, and you can purchase yourself a domain name, like zoomwithjohnny.com or whatever it is that you want it to be, zoomwiththemasterofsales.com, right? And you could take this link and forward it to that Zoom room so that it's easy to share with people. So when somebody says, send me your Zoom link, you're not trying to go into Zoom, start a Zoom, copy the link, send it to them. It's personalized to you. So you just send it to them and you go, zoomwiththemasterofsales.com, and they'll come to you, right? Now, all our phones have shortcuts. So little pro tip that I'll give you guys is because your phone has shortcuts, instead of having to type that each and every time, create a shortcut, ZM for Zoom, right? And so when somebody says, hey man, what's your website? I go www, and I hit enter, and my website name comes out. If somebody says, what's your Zoom link? I go ZM, hit enter, and my Zoom link comes out. That's just a little pro tip to be able to use Zoom at a higher level, right? One of the other things that you can do with Zoom is what I'm doing with you right now, education series. We host a once a week mastermind with folks, and it's through Zoom. And we created this to attract people to come every Thursday at 11 a.m. and just get some really good coaching, some really great information. And so we do this through Zoom, and people are able to come in. I can mute everybody. I can do this presentation, and there's a couple other things I can do. See, I can record this to my computer. I can record it to a cloud so I can share that link later. I typically record it to my computer, and I take it and I put it into a system such as the one you're using right now, or YouTube when I want to create those free videos. And what we do is we take this information and we distribute it as such, and it's all recorded on Zoom. The next thing that you can do is you can take the Zoom, the meeting that you're having, and you can make yourself go live on social media, on a special group that you have, live on your main timeline, wherever you feel most comfortable. So those are your Zoom options, and another great tech tool for you to be using.